Lord Ramachandra appeared 17.28 million years ago. Where are we right now on that time scale? Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Parardhe. What this mantra essentially does, we are in the first day of the 51st year of Brahma. Whenever a temple observes a festival, the important events of such festivals are marked with chanting of various mantras. One of the mantras chanted at the beginning of every event is known as the Sankalpa-mantra, which goes something like this. Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Govinda Govinda Govindaha Adya Shri Bhagavataha Mahapurushasya Vishnurajnaya Pravartamanasya Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Parardhe Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivaswata Manvantare Ashtavimshatitame Kaliyuge Prathama Pade Jambudvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakhande Meroho Dakshine Parshve Asmin Vartamane Vyavaharike Prabhavadi Shashti Samvatsaranam Madhye Shri Subhakrit Nama Samvatsare. And like this it goes on to mention the month, the masa, the vara, the tithi, etc. What this mantra essentially does is to locate the space and time of the event. When we say Jambudvipe, Bharatavarshe, Bharatakhande, Meroho Dakshine Parshve, what is happening? It is locating our current position within the universe. And as far as time is concerned, this is how we are located. We are right now in the Shubhakrit Samvatsara. What does this mean? In Vedic astrology, the Samvatsaras are years which are calculated in terms of the time Brihaspati or Jupiter takes to traverse the 12 Rashis. This comes to about 360 days to traverse one Rashi. One cycle of Brihaspati to cover all the 12 Rashis comes to 12 Samvatsaras. One chakra or cycle of Samvatsaras is 5 cycles or 60 Samvatsaras. Each of these 60 Samvatsaras is given a particular name. And the first Samvatsara is called Prabhava. We are currently in the 36th Samvatsara by the name Shubhakrit. Hence, in the Sankalpa-mantra, we say Prabhavadi Shashti Samvatsarana Madhye Shubhakrit Nama Samvatsare. Shashti means 60. Shashti Samvatsarana Madhye means in the middle of the 60 Samvatsaras. Prabhavadi means beginning with the Samvatsara named Prabhava. Shubhakrit Nama Samvatsare means in the Samvatsara by the name Shubhakrit. The 36th Samvatsara in the middle of the 60 Samvatsara cycle is called Shubhakrit. Now, going up higher in the time scale from the cycle of 60 Samvatsaras, we are now in the Ashtavimshatitame Kaliyuge, Prathama Pade. That is, we are in the Prathama Pada or first quarter of Kali Yuga. Which Kali Yuga? The Ashtavimshatitame Kaliyuge, in the 28th Kali Yuga. The Kali Yuga is one of the 4 yugas which constitute a mahayuga. There are 432,000 years in one Kali Yuga by the calculation of human beings. Out of that, we have right now passed a little more than 5,100 years. One mahayuga constitutes a cycle of Satya Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Treta Yuga and Kali Yuga. After the present Kali Yuga ends, which will take about another 427,000 years, once again Satya Yuga will start and the yugas will go on in the same cycles. So we are now in the 28th Kali Yuga. One mahayuga or a cycle of Satya, Dwapara, Treta and Kali Yugas lasts for 43.2 lakhs or 4.32 million years. There are 71 such mahayugas in the lifespan of one Manu. Now we are in Vaivasvata Manvantara. We are in the Manvantara of Vaivasvata Manu. So we are in the 28th Mahayuga out of 71 Mahayugas of Vaivasvata Manu. And Vaivasvata Manu is the 7th out of the 14 Manus in a day of Brahma. That means it is right now midday for Lord Brahma, because we are in the 7th Manu out of 14 Manus. In one day of Brahma, there are 14 Manus or 1000 Mahayugas or 4.32 billion years. And similar is Brahma's night. So 24 hours of Brahma is actually for us 8.64 billion years. 360 such days constitute 1 year of Brahma, or it comes to 3.11 trillion years. And one parardha of Brahma is 50 such years, which comes to 155.5 trillion years. And Brahma lives for 2 such parardhas, which comes to a total of 311 trillion years. Where are we right now on that time scale? Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Parardhe, meaning we are right now in the second parardha of Lord Brahma. And in that we are in Shveta Varaha Kalpe. We are in the Shveta Varaha Kalpa or Shveta Varaha day of Brahma. Shveta Varaha day is the first day of Brahma of the Parardha. That means we are in the first day of the 51st year of Brahma. And so we can all say happy birthday to Lord Brahma. And in that we are at midday of Brahma. It is about noon time for Brahma now. In the 7th Manu, within which we are in the 28th Mahayuga of the 7th Manu, which is Vaivasvata Manu. Lord Krishna appeared in this 28th Mahayuga, in the same Mahayuga where we are all currently in. Lord Krishna appears only once in a day of Lord Brahma. And in the Mahayuga where Lord Krishna appears, a unique thing happens. The Dwapara Yuga comes after Treta Yuga. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also appears in the Kali Yuga, in the same Mahayuga where Krishna appears in a day of Brahma. That means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also appears only once in a day of Brahma. So in this mega time scale of the universe, when does Lord Ramachandra appear? You would all have heard many things from many sources. Some people say Lord Rama appeared 6,000 years ago or 7,000 years ago. Some say 20 or 30,000 years ago, and so on. We should not go by hearsay, but we should go by what the Acharyas and the Shastras, the Vedic scriptures have stated. Srila Rupa Goswami, in the Laghu Bhagavatamrita, he mentions like this: Kaushalyayam Dasharathan Navadurva Daladyutihi Tretayam Avirbhavat Chaturvimshe Chaturyuge Bharatena Sumitraya Nandanabhyam Cha Samyutaha. Srila Rupa Goswami is actually describing the appearance of Lord Ramachandra. He says Chaturvimshe Chaturyuge Tretaya, meaning in the Treta Yuga of the 24th Mahayuga, Lord Ramachandra appears as the son of Dasharatha and Kaushalya, along with Bharata and the 2 sons of Sumitra, who are Lakshmana and Shatrughna. In other words, Lord Ramachandra appeared 4 Mahayugas before our current Mahayuga where we are all right now. That means Lord Ramachandra appeared about 172.8 lakh years or 17.28 million years ago. This is the actual time scale at which Sri Ramachandra appeared on this earth.